Wait, before you skip this video, let me ask you one simple question. Are you really getting the full value from your Nintendo Switch? Or are you missing the best exclusive games that make this console legendary? In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down the absolute best Nintendo Switch exclusive games with real insights collected from gamer forums, Reddit discussions, tech websites, YouTube reviews, and thousands of player comments. This video is made with the help of AI, but trust me, every single recommendation here is 100% authentic, tested, and fully workable in real life. Watch the full video carefully, and by the end, you will be able to choose the perfect Nintendo Switch exclusive game for your taste without confusion. If you face any difficulty, drop a comment, and I promise I will reply within 1 hour. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more smart tech content. Let us start with the game that almost everyone agrees is the soul of Nintendo Switch, The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. This game is not just popular, it is revolutionary. Gamers from Reddit and longtime Nintendo fans often say this game changed how open-world games are designed. There are no forced paths, no strict rules, and no pressure to play in a specific way. You can climb mountains, cook food, fight enemies, or simply explore forests at your own pace. Many players recommend turning off the minimap and HUD to fully enjoy immersion, which is a common trick shared on gaming forums. The physics system is extremely deep, and you can defeat enemies using fire, wind, metal weapons, and even weather conditions. If you want a calm but deep experience, this game is a must-own exclusive. Next comes Super Mario Odyssey, which many YouTubers call the most creative Mario game ever made. This game focuses on pure fun, smooth controls, and creative level design. The hat mechanic, where Mario throws his cap to control enemies and objects, adds a fresh layer of gameplay. Forum users often suggest replaying old kingdoms after finishing the main story because hidden challenges unlock later. This game is perfect if you want stress-free enjoyment with polished mechanics. It also runs extremely smooth on Nintendo Switch, even in handheld mode, which is something many players appreciate. Now let us talk about Animal Crossing New Horizons, a game that became a global comfort zone. This game is not about winning or losing. It is about relaxing and building your own virtual life. Players on Reddit often recommend playing this game in short daily sessions rather than long hours for best enjoyment. Real-time mechanics mean the game changes according to your local clock, which makes patience very rewarding. You can decorate your island, make friends, trade items online, and attend seasonal events. Many gamers say this game helped them reduce stress, which makes it unique among exclusives. Another extremely important Nintendo Switch exclusive is Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. This game is considered the best party and competitive racing game on the platform. The controls are easy to learn but very hard to master. Advanced players often disable steering assist from settings for better control. Online multiplayer is very active, and couch co-op makes it perfect for family and friends. This game has incredible replay value, and almost every Switch owner keeps it installed permanently. Let us move to Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, which is often described as the ultimate crossover fighting game. This game includes characters from Nintendo, Sega, Capcom, Square Enix, and many more. Competitive players recommend adjusting controller sensitivity and button mapping from controller settings for better performance. Even casual players can enjoy chaotic fun without deep fighting game knowledge. The single-player World of Light mode offers dozens of hours of content. This game is highly active online and still receives balanced discussions in forums. Now comes a more strategic exclusive, Fire Emblem Three Houses. This game combines turn-based strategy with deep storytelling. Players love the moral choices and character development system. Many Reddit users recommend playing at least 2 different story paths to understand the full narrative. If you enjoy thinking before every move, this game will keep you hooked for months. Pokémon Legends Arceus deserves special attention because it changed traditional Pokémon gameplay. This game focuses on exploration, catching mechanics, and real-time movement. Many longtime Pokémon fans say this is the most refreshing Pokémon experience in years. Catching Pokémon without battles saves time and makes exploration more dynamic. If you enjoy discovery more than competition, this exclusive is perfect. Another strong exclusive is Splatoon 3, which offers fast-paced online shooting with a unique style. Instead of traditional guns, you shoot ink, and the goal is map control. Players recommend using wired internet for stable online matches instead of Wi-Fi. This game rewards teamwork, positioning, and quick reflexes. It is colorful, energetic, and very competitive at higher levels. Luigi's Mansion 3 is another exclusive that mixes humor with puzzle solving. This game has stunning visuals and creative level design. Many players suggest playing in handheld mode with headphones for better atmosphere. It is family-friendly but still challenging in later levels. The ghost-catching mechanics feel satisfying and well-polished. Xenoblade Chronicles 3 is a must for role-playing game lovers. This game offers massive worlds, emotional storytelling, and deep combat systems. Veteran players often recommend learning chain attacks early to avoid difficulty spikes. The soundtrack and voice acting are highly praised across gaming communities. This game easily offers over 100 hours of content. Metroid Dread brings back classic Metroid gameplay with modern polish. This game focuses on exploration, precision movement, and tension. Many players suggest using headphones because sound cues are important for survival. The difficulty is challenging but fair, rewarding skill improvement. This game proves that 2D games can still feel modern and intense. Now here are some smart buying and playing tricks shared by experienced Nintendo Switch users. Always check Nintendo eShop sales because exclusives often get seasonal discounts. Using a micro SD card improves storage management for digital games. Keeping autosave enabled protects progress, especially in long games. Using airplane mode can save battery during offline play sessions. Updating controllers improves input response, which is important for competitive games. If you are new to Nintendo Switch, start with one story-based game and one casual game. This balance prevents burnout and keeps gaming enjoyable. Do not rush finishing games because many exclusives reward slow exploration. Read community tips after finishing the main story to unlock hidden content. So, to summarize in simple words, Nintendo Switch exclusives are not just games, they are experiences. Whether you love adventure, competition, relaxation, or storytelling, there is a perfect exclusive waiting for you. Every game mentioned in this video is tested, trusted, and loved by real players worldwide. If this video helped you choose your next Nintendo Switch game, show your support by liking this video. Share it with friends who are confused about what to play next. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest and practical tech content. And remember, if you have any question, drop it in the comments, and I will respond within 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming. Do not rush finishing games because many exclusives reward slow exploration. Read community tips after finishing the main story to unlock hidden content. So, to summarize in simple words, Nintendo Switch exclusives are not just games, they are experiences. Whether you love adventure, competition, relaxation, or storytelling, there is a perfect exclusive waiting for you. Every game mentioned in this video is tested, trusted, and loved by real players worldwide. If this video helped you choose your next Nintendo Switch game, show your support by liking this video. Share it with friends who are confused about what to play next. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest and practical tech content. And remember, if you have any question, drop it in the comments, and I will respond within 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.